deep heads swell and fade like distant waves. Rolling bass emerges, steady and hypnotic. Chinkest eyes shimmer, cascading softly in the mix. Ethereal whispers, a breath that lingers. Soft hums weaving through the pads, like threads of light. Distant echoes, a voice without words. Stretch into infinity, fading into silence. The bass softens, like footsteps receding into the void.